Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a surprise. Did you see that? It's Curateur. That's right, I canceled Curateur. Why do I have another Curateur? Well, let me tell you why. I recently got an email from Curateur telling me that I could get this box for spring for $50. And I thought about it, and I decided, heck yeah, $50, you bet. Now guys, it's regularly $125, so this is going to be an incredible deal in here for $50. Now, about Curateur, it is a high fashion box created by Xoxo. And did I welcome you to my channel? I don't know. I'm so excited about my box, I probably forgot. But welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. And if you're new here, you're in for a real treat because she sends the most fashionable things to us in our boxes. And we do get to choose one or two items. And I'm sure I'll have all the details in here and I'll tell you all about it. But let me get this box open. Like I was telling you, this is curated by Xoxo, and this is the inside of the Curateur Premier Shopping Membership. And it is, and you can join their community by following them on Instagram at Curateur. So I've just got strands here just hanging out, wants to keep falling down in my face. So I keep putting it back, but it's probably going to fall right back down. So we're just going to have to deal with my crazy hair today. Yeah, I've got some crazy hair. Do you have crazy hair? Yeah. Some days are just like that. Here's a little sneaky peeky. I broke open the Curateur paper. And of course, one thing I see in here is Hello Fresh. They're still giving away free meals. And my daughter Laura uses this, and I've heard several others of you buy and enjoy the food. So if you're interested in that, there's the code. All right, what do we have in here? Let me see if I can find a product card. It says, "Dearest member, regrettably, we must inform you that we experienced some unforeseen U.S. custom clearance delays with our vendor, which has affected the availability of the Douce Perfect Blush Brush Dolce Posh Powder Palette." Okay, so there must not going to be a palette. We have replaced these items with the IGK Hair Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and IGK Hair Legendary Dream Hair Conditioner, which we feel confident you will love. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your understanding. Thank you, the Curateur team. So that was something that they had. And remember, I told you, oh, my hair is just wild today. Oh, my goodness. Anyways, and remember I told you it was $125, but they sent me an offer for $50, and I thought I just couldn't refuse. Now I don't know if I have a product card since I got this at such a low price, and I'm not seeing one. They usually have one, so I'm probably gonna have to wing this. Okay, so why don't we just start off with the shampoo and conditioner? This was the two products that they mentioned that we got as a replacement, and I've not ever used it, but it sounds very luxurious. And it's got a cap on it, but I can kind of smell through there. And you know what? This reminds me of Lady Love Cosmetics from years ago. That scent and that other's what's reminded me of that. It's not exactly. Smells good though. And I guess this is the Dream Hair Shampoo. It says Microbiome Prebiotic Red Sea Aloe. So this shampooing, I can't read the rest of that. It's kind of glaring on there. And then this is the conditioner, which smells like Lady Love. I know none of y'all know what I'm talking about, but I used to be a Lady Love representative, and I love their products. They were made with aloe vera, and all their products smelled so good. And I love anything that kind of reminds me of that. But I can't get the cap off of that. But this is the conditioner here, and it's the shea butter with Red Sea algae and it is shampooing conditioner. Yep, this is the conditioner. I just want to make sure I have the right one. So that's going to be nice. I think those will be good. And like I said, I only paid $50, and that there's probably worth $50. Yeah, they've already closed out everything, so I'm not going to be able to give y'all any kind of information. I'll just have to show you what I got. But I mean, hey, we just have to know I got it for $50, and the value of the box was over $545. So I got a great deal, and I'll try to find prices on these things and put them across the screen when I'm doing editing. But this here is the Skin Gem, and this is for your face, and it is a rejuvenating, vibrating beauty tool that you use to put on your serums. Treat your skin to uplifting daily massage with our vibrating beauty tool made with real rose quartz crystals. The brilliant battery-operated beauty wand is perfect use for your self-care ritual before a big event to give your skin that extra glow. Use 10 to 15 minutes daily in the AM and PM with serum or light oil. That sounds really good. I've never used anything quite like this, so that ought to be interesting. Have you used anything like this? The next item I'm pulling out of here is, let me see, it was supposed to be Avant, and I can tell you this was a $99 value, and I already knew that when I seen it because I got a whole pack of Avant products. I got their 12 days of Christmas Advent calendar. And this here is the Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment with hydration. And I don't know if it's the same one that I have. This is Age Restore. And then that's a 50 ml, which is a full size. And then we got the Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. So both of these are different. I don't have either one of these. So these ought to be interesting to try out. Oh, I can smell the rose in that. I'm not going to open them because I'm not going to be able to get to them just right away. I've got so many things going on right now that I can't, I don't want to open it and get, oxygen to it. I want to wait till I can use them. So I will put it with my other Avant products. So very good. That was a $99 value. And then I had a choice of a necklace or a bracelet, and I picked the necklace. And the necklace had like $125 value. It's by Wanderlust Company, and it's in gold. It's 14 karat to 18 karat gold, rhodium plated, and E-coated, whatever that means, and it's nickel free. They always do have wonderful luxury jewelry. That much I can tell you, and I've received quite a bit. That piece of hair is just driving me crazy. Maybe I'll just throw it over on that side and it'll leave us alone. Man, that's driving me nuts. I don't know what's going on with my hair today. Crazy. I've just been too crazy busy lately. And I haven't heard anything about my truck yet. So by the time this comes out, maybe I will. But isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, that is very beautiful. Very shiny, 14 to 18 karat plated. That's pretty nice. Like I said, she has great items in her box, and she's already got her summer curation out. I'm going to take this one off real quick so that we can get the full effect of this. So that is the necklace by itself, just a plain shiny chain, but it's ever so pretty. So I like that. And then the last item in here, we're going to go through this quickly, is I got to pick out a bag. And this bag, I got mine in ivory. You could have picked black, or that hair's still bugging me. You could have picked black or white or ivory. And I picked ivory. And I'm so glad I did. This feels so nice. Look at this. And it's a Rachel Zoe, and it's in ivory, and I don't know the cost of it. But if I can find out what she was retailing it for, I'll let you know. This feels very luxurious. And then we got a zipper. We've got a zipper, and then a place for credit cards over here, and our, I guess, little notes or receipts if you need them. And then you've got a zipper pouch here that you can keep some things in. And this, like I said, it just feels wonderful. I'll tell you that. This feels very nice. She makes such good products. And then this here, I don't know what that's there for. Anybody know what the blue note's for? It doesn't have nothing on it. And she doesn't have a price on here. Sometimes she'll do the price tag on there. But as you can see, I have a choice of using just the handle like this. And it would have a little extension coming out like this. Or I can have it as a crossbody. So it's either or. And I just wish I could have y'all feel this. It feels so luxurious. She has such nice choices. And I really do like her box. I can't afford $125 anymore. I mean, it just seems like too much, even though you're getting a whole lot. But if it's something that's in your budget and you could afford to do it on a regular basis, you can save $50 a year if you do an annual. And that's what I used to do, but now the annual's $450 and it used to be like $380. So, yeah, I mean, you know, everything had to go up, unfortunately. But what's my favorite thing? Oh, I don't know. Of course, I'll use the Avant and the tool, but I'm going to have to say my favorite thing is going to be this bag, and I like this necklace. So those two are going to be my favorite things. You let me know what your favorites are. And I just can't tell y'all how soft this feels. Very, very soft, and it feels like real leather. But I bet you anything it's vegan leather. But it doesn't say on here, so I don't know for sure, but that would be my guess. I think it's a really cute design, too, with just the handle like that. Very unique. Very nifty. And it could be classic. You know, you could wear that with a pair of jeans, or you could take it with a nice little dress, too, you know, going out to eat for a nice dinner. But that is my Curateur that I got for the spring $50 deal. And I think I know I got my money's worth. What do you think? Do you agree with me? And what's your favorite item? Let me know down in the description. But as for today in Curateur, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for anything that may be going on. Currently, I don't know that I have anything out there. But, I will at some point. But anyways, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.